There is a performance gap on your team. You conduct a root cause analysis, and you determine the gap is due to deficiencies in your training program. We can evaluate your training program, assess its strengths and weaknesses, and its alignment with your organization's goals and strategic priorities. We'll conduct a thorough review of your training materials and meet with your instructional designers to understand their approach and design decisions. We'll also look at the effectiveness of the delivery methods. That may include observing a live training session. We'll review participant feedback and performance data, using surveys, focus groups, and interviews to evaluate your program based upon the Kilpatrick model measures of reaction, learning, behavior, and results. After completing our analysis, we will provide you with a detailed, customized blueprint, identifying areas of strength and opportunities for improvement, and specific recommendations to close the gaps. These recommendations may range from relatively minor changes to certain aspects of your training program, to broader, more systemic changes to how your training is developed and delivered. Examples of recommendations include rewriting portions of training content to make them more germane to your audience, adopting alternative modes of training delivery, or incorporating additional hands-on activities and exercises to increase stickiness of the learning. Your blueprint will architect a detailed plan to implement the recommended changes effectively, and with as minimal a disruption to your ongoing learning and development initiatives as possible. Use one of these methods to schedule a free consultation.